Anyways, July 11th, 2025. As you can see here, this is a report I'm making on Blizzard that this location I had fell in. I was in the Barrens by Orgrimmar and Durotar, and I fell in this pit here, and I can't. There's just no exit. I can't climb up. I can't fly up. There's no area I can escape from. It's amazing to see how a game this old has a say in it. It's not professional, man. I don't know what to do here. I look around, there's nothing, there's no entrance, there's no exit. I don't know why they put this trap here, and I was just on here looking to recruit more Tyler Bates, and none of it's having it. I don't know if Blizzard put this on intentionally to trick me or to, I don't know. I go here, another dead end. Everywhere I turn is just a blasted dead end, and I don't know what to do here. Blizzard, if you're watching this, you need to patch your game, and I do not want a hearth. I am in Kargar, which way out there, and will take too much of my time. And I've already been in this land for 20 damn minutes, and I don't understand why they find this acceptable. I'm losing it. Why is this in the game, Blizzard? It makes no sense. Like, why are you doing this to me? I don't know. Alright, Blizzard, this is... Where do I go? Could someone please message me in the video, comment down below where on I go? I can't think.